Hi everyone, my name is Brenda Chen. I'm from Audfly Technology. I'm now with the InfoComm 2026. This year we're going to show you some brand new audio technologies. You can see this one is a all-in-one computer. From the appearance, just like a normal computer, but we can see that the sound is coming from the screen. If you're standing in front of the screen, you can hear the sound. If you step away a little bit, just 1 meter a bit away, the sound is gone. And the sound is on the screen. The whole screen is the speaker, and the sound is directional. We also have some other, this technology is now already being working with Lenovo. This is Lenovo's all-in-one computer. And this technology can be also used to create some glass speaker. You can see this one. This one is the glass speaker here. We can see that it's a normal glass, but the sound is coming from the glass in the surface of the glass. So also sound is directional. So if you watch your TV at late night, you want to watch football games, when using this kind of speaker, you don't have to worry about to disturb your family members. So this is Brenda Chen from Audfly Technology. Our website is audflyspeaker.com. If you want to know more information about this kind of technology, just give us a note. Thank you.